Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here, and today we have here with us the JBL Tune 500 BT wireless headphones for a quick review. Now, these have been in the market for a long time now, and I just thought that it'll be interesting to take a look at this device given its price and functionality. Now, these are pretty affordable headphones and they do come with some decent features. Over the past few years, however, we have seen some great and affordable devices from the likes of Soundcore, Soundpeace, and even a couple of entry-level choices from Sony. So in a market populated by a lot of budget wireless audio devices from multiple brands, is the JBL Tune 500 BT still worth your cash? Well, we have been using it for quite some time now, and for this one, I just want to share some of my experiences with these headphones. Let's get started. Now, the headphones do come in a pretty standard design, and as with most modern over-ear headphones, they are of course foldable. They are a bit small compared to other wireless headphones such as the Soundcore Q10 and Q30, and as a result they do have smaller ear cups. Now, the headphones can get uncomfortable after long periods of time. Like I said earlier, the ear cups are a bit small, and after a couple of hours, I just had to take them off. Likewise, my wife had the same complaints about the ear cups. With that said though, if you aren't planning to use this for extremely long periods of time, then you should be alright. Unlike other wireless headphones, however, the 500 BTs do not have a 3.5mm audio jack in case you want to use them with a wired connection. But then again, if you bought these headphones, you're probably after other wireless capabilities. Now, as for controls, the JBL Tune does come with your usual array of power, volume, and play buttons on the right earpiece. The center button can be used to play and pause music, as well as answer and hang up your phone calls. A quick double tap can also summon Siri or Google Assistant, depending on which device you're using it with. Holding down either of the volume buttons can play the next or previous song as well. One cool feature is that you can connect two devices simultaneously to the headphones. Although you can only listen to one at a time, but you will be able to quickly switch between both devices by holding down the volume up and the assistant button. Now, while we do get a JBL headphone app for smartphones, it unfortunately does not feature compatibility with the 500 BTs. It's not a huge deal, but I do wish that we get added functionality with the app. Alright, so as far as sound quality goes, the 500 BTs do feature a bass-rich sound, which does give an enjoyable music experience. It's probably one of the things I always look forward to when getting JBL products, as they tend to have great sounding bass. Fortunately, this is the case with these headphones. With that said, however, the bass sound on here isn't the most powerful when comparing it to other wireless headphones out there, but do keep in mind that this is a pretty affordable device, so there's bound to be some limitations. It should be noted that there's no active noise cancelling or any transparency modes on here, so you might still hear some external audio when listening to your music. Calls are likewise decent, they do sound clear on the headphones, and of course you get microphones with the 500 BTs. As for battery life, the headphones can last up to 16 hours on a single charge. It does take around 2 hours to charge it on the micro USB port. I do wish that it supported USB Type-C though. Alright, so are the JBL Tune 500 BTs worth your cash? Well, if you're dead set on purchasing them, you're getting great battery life, a solid bass sound, and smart assistant compatibility. On the other hand, the headphones might feel a bit small for some users, there is no active noise cancelling, no wired compatibility, or USB-C connectivity for that matter. Nevertheless, I do think that for people looking for affordable headphones with a good bass, the 500 BT should be a decent choice. But for a similar price, you can get the Soundcore Q10s, which do have a more comfortable fit, longer battery life, and even a bass boost option. Now guys, if you want to see more reviews, we do have a ton of them here on Team Gear Y, so do drop by and check out more of our videos. Once again, thanks for watching.